Hey y'all, so today we are going to our local splash pad. It just opened for the summer and we haven't been yet, so I'm so excited. Hopefully we have a great time. So I'm just going to show you guys how we get ready in the morning. I'm going ahead and setting out Blair's swim diaper and her swimsuit and getting our swim towels, our beach towels together. I'm going to take two, one for her, one for me. While she is having breakfast, I'm going to go ahead and get dressed myself. This is what I'm working with, almost 2 years postpartum. I think I look pretty good, honey. And I'm gonna go ahead and set out our shoes, our Crocs, and some off, and some sunscreen. And now that she's done and I'm dressed, I'm gonna get her ready. So I'm just gonna take her out of her high chair. I'm gonna clean up a little bit. I'm using the sea salt and lime method, my favorite. I try to clean up after her after every meal just so it's not like big clumps of food, half-eaten food laying around. So sweeping that up. And then I'm going to go ahead and get her out of her pajamas and we're going to go ahead and start a load of laundry as well before we leave. So by the time we get back home, that's done and we can just pop it in the dryer. Blair loves helping out with the laundry. My girl watches me clean all the time, so now she's picking up good cleaning habits, which I am very thankful for. So if I don't help her start the load, y'all, she gets very, very upset. And as you can see, she is obsessed with the cycle and watching them turn. And now we're just gonna get her dressed. Y'all, she was so confused when I put on her swim diaper and her swimsuit. Last time she was at the beach or had any kind of water play, she was 8 months old, I believe. And now she is almost 19 months. So after I got her dressed, she was pulling on it like, what is going on? So we're getting her dressed. And y'all, her swimsuit is the cutest thing. It's actually a hand-me-down from my cousin, and it's 18 to 24 months, so she can finally wear it. And it is just the cutest thing. She got so many compliments on it. And look at how cute my big girl looks. Oh. And now we're about to head out the door, but I'm gonna grab our water bottles. And I also packed some pouches, and I ended up packing like some animal crackers as well. I believe that obviously did not get touched because Blair was so preoccupied with the splash pad, and we're here. It took her a while to warm up to the water. I think it just shooting out of the ground kind of confused her a little bit because she's so used to seeing like running water out of the faucet. But at the end of the day, we stayed out here for about an hour and a half. She had a great time. Of course, she was soaking wet. And what I love about this is it's so close to our house and it's free. So that was amazing as well. So we will probably definitely make this a weekly thing for our summer routine.